Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fashion haul to share with you. I picked up a few things from H&M, Forever 21, also Target. I didn't go to any store, I just ordered all of this online except for the Target stuff. Starting off with what I'm wearing right now, this is from H&M and it is so soft and comfortable. This might sound weird to you guys, but before I bought anything, I went online and I googled ideal fabrics for warm clothes because in my experience they always end up scratchy and I usually go for what feels right at the moment or what's cute, but they don't wash well. So I wanted stuff that would last me and that was comfortable. I kind of sized up on most of these because I wanted them oversized. The comfy factor is very important for me. Next, from H&M, I have this mock turtleneck sweater. This one is also really soft and I am just such a big fan of gray. I could live just wearing gray colors and color on my face. And I appreciate that the fabric is thin but also warm because that's what I was hoping to get. The sleeve runs like low on the arm and I love how it looks like a patterned gray. It's got some pattern going on. This is going to be so fun to wear with a bright, bold lip. Also from H&M, I got this blush sweatshirt, and I do remember that this was around $7, which is crazy. They had such a good sale, and it's so comfortable. I don't have a lot of sweatshirts, so I just wanted a basic blush color. I've been really feeling the pinks this season. Lastly, from H&M, I got this gorgeous chunky knit sweater. I am so in love with this. This color is just perfection. The fabric just feels so soft and warm, and it's got like a pattern in the knit, which I thought was really cute. The sleeves also kind of run lower on the arm, and I am just in love with this. This one has to be my favorite. Next, I picked up a couple of things from Target. Not really a lot because I went in to kind of see what they had going on for home decor. But I saw this scarf at their dollar spot. Look at these colors. This is like a giant blanket scarf. This is so awesome because you can just wear it like a shawl or a blanket if you go to the movies. It is massive and it's really warm as well and soft. They had darker colors. I think this was the only one I saw that was kind of a light color. While I was there, I was looking through their jewelry section because I really wanted to get a choker. There were a lot of those basic ones where they just kind of cling to your neck, or the ones that are leather, and that wasn't exactly the style that I was looking for. And then I saw this choker. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I love this. I am in love with moon and stars. The chain is gold and the charms are gold, silver, and rose gold. Lastly, I got some goodies from Forever 21, starting off with this little pom-pom hat. I wanted to get a new hat because mine is really stretched out. I have a knitted one. It's gray and I love it and I've used it so much that it has no life left in it. I was specifically looking for yellow and mustard colors, so I went through their lookbooks. You know, Forever 21 website has kind of lookbooks based on the colors. I picked this one up because the pom-pom looked pretty big, and that's kind of what I was going for because I've never had a pom-pom hat, believe it or not. Following the mustard trend, I got this Lion King sweatshirt, and I saw Kathleen Lights wear it in one of her videos, and I immediately went on the website. Thankfully, they still had a medium because their large was sold out. I was hoping it would be oversized on me because that's what I was going for. It fits perfectly. It's not way too large, but it also doesn't cling to any weird places. It's just really comfy and warm. And inside, it's kind of like a fleecy material. So soft. Since I got the Lion King one, you guys know, I just had to get this one. I am obsessed with The Little Mermaid. It was my favorite Disney movie when I was a little kid. I had Little Mermaid dolls. I was super into it. And this is just adorable. This one is more oversized than the Lion King one, but they're the same size. I don't know why that is. The material seems to be the same. It's got that fleecy inner. I do wonder why they made Sebastian orange. We all know Sebastian is not orange. Lastly, for Forever 21, I got these wine-colored leggings, and these were I think $4 or $5. Super inexpensive. They have like a fleece inner, and I prefer wearing leggings instead of jeans. And I feel like these are gonna be very, very warm and cozy during the winter. I got a small to medium, and I do really like the fit, although I feel like around the legs it feels really tight, but I think it's because it's a fleecy material, so it is pretty thick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I truly appreciate all of the support. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. And if you guys want to see more fashion videos, please let me know in the comments down below, because it's something that I'm kind of interested in, but I'm not sure if you guys want to see. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!